All right. So today is the 15th of November, Friday. So, so let's see what I did this week. Actually, again, this is again one of those uh, very low productivity week. So, I mean, at least I'm looking at my notes. I had lots of stuff to do planned for the week. I mean, some of them are, yeah, I've done it, but a lot of waste of time as well. So first thing was we had a lot of rejections at Kai. Two out of three were rejected, and so we have to place them somewhere. So I was working on that. And one of the things we said is we'll submit to a journal. I mean, two journals, two different journals. One is called the Harvard Kennedy School Misinformation Review, and that journal uses only a Word template. So I had to, and it's only 3,000 words. So I had to really rewrite a lot of stuff, copy paste and rewrite a lot of stuff. Of course, use ChatGPT quite a bit. But that took like 1.5 day. And then I realized that this is really hard to do in 3,000 words. I mean, it was like a 20-page paper. So that was a huge waste of time because then I said, okay, maybe I'll not send it here and I'll send it to some other journal, some other conference, a web science conference. So maybe that's what we'll aim for. So that was a lot of time, but yeah, that's a waste of time. The second thing, which was really again pretty annoying, is this the other paper we wanted to submit it to this journal called the International Journal for Communication. It's a top journal for communication, but I can't believe how shitty the process is. Like, so was okay. I submitted a copy, then they said, "Oh, maybe I forgot to press upload or something." So, firstly, okay, they only accept Word documents, so I had to fucking convert all of my PDFs into Word and then reformat, redo the fonts and redo the figures, everything. So that takes like 3-4 hours. It's like, I don't know, 9,200 words and the limit is 8,900. Said, fuck it, I just submit. But then they immediately say, okay, submission is deleted because you didn't upload a a file. Okay, then I create all the submission again, write the letter to the editor again, submit. Then immediately they send me an email saying, oh, your submission is 8,900 words, deleted from the system. I don't know what it is. So I had to go through again all the 5 steps, write all the keywords, write the letter to the editor again, upload again. Then again, oh, your submission is deleted uh, because it did not. So I did a lot of work to get it to 8,900 words, but apparently the references are not in APA 6 style. So okay, who cares? Like I at one point I said, okay, please can you tell me if you'll review the paper? Like because I'm spending like 2 days on this creating this submission. They didn't respond and I said, okay, fuck this. I have to submit it. So I just went ahead, did all the changes. Again, like man, I can't believe how much help ChatGPT has been in this. It was probably, I don't know, 3-4 days of work and took me like 3-4 hours of work. So just to do this myself by using ChatGPT. So that was very good. Uh, anyway, yeah, submitted that. Famous class. It's a big journal. If we get some good reviews out for that, like I think that's a good outcome for that paper. I don't know if these sorts of communication venues allow this types of art types of paper. I mean, it's just okay. We have the data there. We describe this using this. I don't know if they like it. And the other thing I did was there's this internal grant at Rutgers. It's called Rutgers Global Grant. It's for collaborations with Indian partners, and that's good. Okay, I do a lot of that, so I applied for one of those. And again, like there's lots of bureaucracy. Um, I didn't want to go through the official route, like through our grants team and all that stuff, which is just shit. But yeah, apparently I have to, so I had to do it. And yeah, they expected it's a lot of shit work. And okay, I did that. Then I really wanted to spend some time to think about some of these projects that I'm going to work on in the future, like collecting types of data and like analyzing the data that we already have collected during the US elections and also in India previously. But yeah, I did not have time to do that. Like I think every day on my schedule, I was on the list, but yeah, that did not happen. Uh, yeah, so that's basically it. Like I think the um, yeah, that was the main things that I did this week. So yeah, just submitted these two or prepared one of them, ditched it, uh, submitted one other draft, and like prepared like other submissions for the Web Science Conference. I had a big paper that was 12 pages. I cut it down to 10 pages. I had another paper that I have to cut still. It's around like 8 pages. I have to cut it to five. So to submit as a short paper, that was on my to-do list today. I did not do it. Yeah, so that's it. And yeah, I'll see you next week.